Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Chevy Jain, Cambridge CELTA certified and Jolly Phonics and Jolly Grammar certified English trainer. On this channel, I'm going to make English super easy for you. There is so much lined up for you. We are going to discover the whole world of English, teaching ideas, books, games, and lots more. So hit the subscribe button and follow for more. You should never miss out on any tips and tricks that I'm going to deliver on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you something super fun, easy, and interesting. So let's learn about the syllable stress and how the pronunciation changes. The words with same spellings, but the pronunciation is altogether different. And the meaning changes. It makes a whole lot of a difference when you put the stress on the right syllable. So let's start. The first word is record or record. What should we say? The difference is the stress on the syllable. When I say record, the stress comes on the first syllable. And why is that the case? Because in record, it's a noun. And in noun, we put stress on the first syllable. Whereas record, it is an action, it's a verb. And when it comes to verb, we put the stress on the second syllable. So if we have to use them in a sentence, I would say, I bought a new music record. And if I have to say, use it as an action, I would say, please record this video for me. So the syllables are basically where you break the word and you need to understand where the stress goes. And that's how you should use it in your speaking as well. Understanding the difference between the syllable stress, you can actually understand how it will go in your speaking. By the end of this video, you will sound clearer, confident, and more natural in English. So let's go ahead with other examples of this. The concept remains the same with other words as well. So produce and produce. So produce would be a noun. Look at this example. Farmers are ready to sell their produce. And look at the other one. They produce cars in their factory. Did you notice that the stress completely changed when you're using it as a noun and using it as a verb? I'll give you another tip that nouns always come either in the beginning or at the end of the sentence. That's the exact position of nouns, whereas verbs, they always are in the center. So this industry produce cars. So do you notice? Produce. So you change the stress accordingly. There are other examples of this. So let's go deeper, understand. Contract, contract. I signed a contract with this company. Over here, it's a noun, so we have stressed on the first syllable. Whereas in the other one, muscles contract when we do this exercise. So the stress completely changes and you will understand, you will get the hang of it. If you will start using it, you just need to practice it more and say it loud with me. Let's practice these 3 words for now. Let's start with record, record, produce, produce. Contract, contract. Isn't that amazing? 2 words with same spellings, yet here sounding different. Let's go with more examples and understand it further. The next example is object, object. See, you understand object is an action. You're going to deliver something. It's going to be a verb here. What's that shiny object? You're calling it a thing. And then the other one, she objected to my new idea. I hope you are learning well and we are on the right track. Let's go with the next example. Contest, contest. She will win the contest. They will contest in the election. Next one, present, Present. She gave me a present. I will present my presentation tomorrow. So one is action, the stress is on the second syllable. Present, it's a noun, the stress is on the first syllable. Another example, permit, permit. You need parking permit in this area. They don't permit smoking in this area. Subject, subject. English is a subject. Don't subject me to boring speeches. Insult, insult. That remark was an insult. Don't insult your friends over here. Okay, let's go with the last one. Refund, refund. I need a refund for this item. They will refund your amount soon. So do you see the difference? The syllable stress can completely change the meaning of the sentence, the use of the sentence, and you sound more natural when you use the syllable stress in your speech. It doesn't come in one go. You need a lot of practice and awareness to all these words. So when you will bring awareness to your speech, you can definitely nail it. You need to record yourself and listen to yourself again and again so that you can improve. Trust me, if you are looking forward to see a drastic change in your speaking, that's the best exercise that you can do, especially when it comes to pronunciation. You need to practice it and listen to yourself again and again so that the improvement happens smoothly. So would you like to practice with me now? Let's practice these 10 words together so that you and I are on the same page. Let's go. Let's start with the first word. Do you remember? What did I say? Yes. Let's go. Record. Record. Object. Object. Subject. Subject. Insult. Insult. Present. Present. Contest. Contest. Contract. Contract. Refund. Refund. Permit. Permit. Produce. Produce. Did you make some improvement? I'm glad I'm able to help you out in this little pronunciation hack that you can use to sound more natural. That's all for today. I hope I'm able to help you out with this little pronunciation hack and make you sound more natural in your speech. So keep practicing, keep learning, and keep shining. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It will motivate me to make more videos for you and make English super easy for you. So keep watching. Stay tuned for more. Ta-da!